Another day, another load of laundry. We have 5 people in our house, including 3 kids. So we do laundry literally every single day. Laundry detergent sheets like these from Toss and Go make it super simple. All we have to do is toss in a sheet, then add our clothes, and then hit the button. I always do quick wash. I learned that from a laundry expert. We've got 41 minutes on the clock. I will see you then. So while that laundry is doing its thing, I want to share what has helped me teach my older kids to learn how to do their own laundry, and it's using laundry detergent sheets. I don't have to worry about measuring. I don't have to worry about pouring and spilling and getting a sticky cap all over everything. When you use the laundry detergent sheets, it's so simple. They just take it out, they toss it in. I know it's going to dissolve. It's not going to leave those little shadows on your laundry.